I just received this Grateful for You thank you card set from ThreeKin Collective, and they are so beautiful. This 25 pack includes 3.5 by 5-inch cards with 25 matching envelopes, perfect for weddings, graduations, baby showers, business notes, birthdays, or just because. They are made from premium heavyweight matte cardstock, and they feel so luxurious and are easy to write on too. Each card is blank inside, giving you plenty of space to share your heartfelt message. The envelopes are easy to seal, making them great for mailing or hand delivery. A handwritten note feels more personal and thoughtful, showing extra care and effort. It creates a lasting impression and can be more meaningful than a digital message that are easily deleted. A handwritten note is often kept, reread, and cherished. I'm genuinely impressed with the quality and design. It truly exceeded my expectations, and I can't wait to use them all. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.